Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial in here. Anyway, let's get started. So, you have to spawn a card on 3 of these tracks. Here you see there's a dip and a over track. Uh-oh, I derailed. Does it count as a die? Every time I make these, I sometimes die and re-record because I don't want to make a long video for you guys, and I'm not gonna post the bloopers, basically the re-records. I'm just gonna post the normal video. That's basically not a die. Okay. So slow down at curves, that's what I learned, or else you'll derail. Well, I did learn this, like, not that long ago. Probably when this came out in 2023 or 2022, and go down slowly. So for my last record after this one, I basically died off the track. So you see these 3 tracks, they lead to 3 different portals and just like twists and turns, and depending on which one, you can get a twist, loop, or a turn. And we're already 1 minute into the video. Great. Just has to be like this. Okay, I'm at 8% right now. So, if I end the video, it's not me ending it, it's just the battery dying. So I'll just in the morning, because I'm not waiting this much for me, because it takes a long time to fill these cards to like 70, so I'm not gonna do it like that. It's not like other Apple devices that take like 1 hour to get to 70%. It takes like 2. Anyway, let's stop talking about that and focus on here. So, you can go to any section, if there's a gap, you can go there. I'm probably not making a lot of sense, but I'm only 8 years old, almost. So here's the portal, and this is what I'm talking about, twist, turn, and loop. It's a turn, twist. Here are portals right now, and I'm in the middle apparently. And the next level is called Wacky Gravity. Probably matches with Zero Gravity. My first record, when I went here, I had to show you guys my restart from Zero Gravity, and look at that. Okay. Wish I could skip, but I can't, bro, because I don't have Robux, and it would be called cheating. I'm not doing re-records, but it's so tiring and waste my battery life. So my first re-record, I'm not doing. The re-record is when I don't want to ruin something and make it first try be and it would be a very bad thing if I got to 0 gravity and died. I'm not going all the way from the start to 0 gravity. I'm surprised how the track is really lasting. I don't last. So I should just do that. If you're close, you could do that. And I think I'm going on to the first one. Or last. Okay, I'm going on to the last one. Right here. So here's a PC. That's all you see. Okay, that's good enough. Now here's Wacky Gravity. What I kind of recommend is like a FOV. I can't really do it right now, but what I can do, if it doesn't work and you click this, you can like do this and it kind of works. Gravity makes no sense here. You don't always trust what you see. POV camera may be useful on some parts. Of course, the classic thing. They always want to do this because they think this car's cool. Look, it looks like you're going straight now, but actually you're going up. That's why I recommend the FOMF POV. Kind of looks weird though. But not looking. Well, look, it looks like you're straight. Oh, it's not moving. I can't do this, so Wacky Gravity always does this. So I'm gonna spawn this car. I'm not going to do a POV in first person. I can't. Hey, don't spawn it on me, bro. Oh my god. No. No, don't get in my car. Don't get in my car. No, I said don't get in my car. We're only 7 minutes into the video. And we're on the first stage, bro. First stage. What is that? I know you can't see my room right now, but well, I just heard it looks like I blinked, but I did not. So there's like bumps there, here, and like, yeah. Okay. So there's no bumps on this side, but on that side there is. So like, slow down. And there can be other cars that pass the hammers and go in, so be careful with that because sometimes they accidentally ram into you. As you can see here, there's hammers and rock and black and white. So I recommend stopping near these spaces. Don't do that! But if I manage to make it, I'm not doing that again. In the past levels, I saw Jupiter. I don't know if they even... I don't even know. How? Why am I going in reverse? Oh, it wants to do that. Okay, got you. Well, okay, well, it's not even that hard. Why are there always just girls here? Like, can there be at least one boy? There's like 2 girls and only 1 boy here. No! Dude! Don't bump into me! Okay, there's a 1 boy, but right there. After this morning, I'm gonna post this video. I'm gonna have to do a part 2, and bro, I'm going to just go grind for like vehicles, bro. Bro, can you just go? Anyway, yeah. So like there's like bumps there next to it, and like when you go up, like make sure to for people because sometimes it makes you go fast at the drop even though there's like people like that's what I mean. It's making it go. I don't know who killed her, but at least he died. So now I can go. Okay, it's at 6%. After 6, it probably will end. No, after 5, it ends. But I'm not doing this actually, bro. It's a pain. So, with my being part 2, I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'm so sorry. In only 11 minutes. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. But I have to end this. Well, make sure to do what this sign says. Make sure to do it. Sub. Sub and like. Do those, please. And thank you. Subscribe and like. Bye.